Hello everyone, it's here again. Today, I'm going to be doing another brand new reaction video. Today, I'm going to be reacting to Disco Bob Entertainment More of a video viz that he uploaded 2 days ago. And the video viz I'm going to react to is called New DQ Reese's Caramel Craze Blizzard. So yeah, I'm going to react to it. So without further ado, let's get the video right out.
Today I'm going to be reviewing and trying a new kind of blizzard from Dairy Queen.
Oh, yeah.
So stay tuned for this one.
Honey TSL.
Oh, Disco Bob. Never remember Disco Bob. Never remember Disco Bob. Yeah.
Welcome to Disco Bob Entertainment and more. So what I have here today is I have a new blizzard from Dairy Queen. This is the Caramel Craze, the Reese's Caramel Craze Blizzard. So what this has in it, this is what it looks like. What this has in it is the it has pieces of Reese's in it, pieces of the Reese's cup in it, and it also has salted caramel truffles in it. So let's give this a try. This is this just come out, so give it a try. Now that is good. You could taste the Reese's. Reese's in it, cups in it, and the peanut butter. I like anything Reese's.
Oh yeah.
Definitely anything Reese's.
Oh yeah.
But this is really good if you like Reese cups.
Oh yeah.
Like I said, it's got the salted caramel, truffle.
Oh yeah.
Truffles. This is very good.
Oh yeah.
I got this in a small size. Small size, because I usually don't like to get them too big in case I don't like them, but
Oh yeah.
it's Reese's.
Oh yeah.
I could have gotten a bigger one. You can't go wrong with Reese's.
Yeah.
But get my mouth won't want to talk. But this is really good from Dairy Queen. If you ever get a chance and you like Reese's, Reese's cups and stuff like that, you definitely got to get this blizzard.
Oh yeah.
This is the blizzard of the month also. For August.
Oh yeah.
Coming up. So, well, I'm doing this video. It's July 31st.
Oh yeah.
But it's actually it's going to be August, the blizzard of the month for August.
Oh yeah.
So this is very good.
Oh yeah.
This is a kind of blizzard I wouldn't mind getting once in a while. You know, like during the month. Get this, like if I'm at Dairy Queen.
Oh yeah.
And I feel like having a little treat when it's hot outside.
Oh yeah.
And this is very, very good. But I think the next time I'll get one a little bit bigger. So I give this a 10 out of 10. But like I said, this is what it looks like. I give this a 10 out of 10. I love this. Got the Reese's chocolate and the peanut butter, the salted caramel truffles. Very delicious combination.
Oh yeah.
10 out of 10. But hey, I hope everybody enjoyed this review on this new Reese's Caramel Craze Blizzard. So, everyone have a good one. Thanks for watching. I hope everybody has a good one. Has a good rest of your day or evening. So thanks for your support, everyone.
Yeah.
You guys are all awesome.
Yeah.
What's so funny, TSL?
And I'm gonna be stopping the video there. And so yeah. And that's this week's video. And I hope you guys like this week's video. I hope you guys like it. And I hope you guys do like. If you don't, then I don't care. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. And turn those notifications on every time I upload. And share my videos, the geeks videos, the reviews, and others that make my channel to your friends' videos. If you want your choice, because I am making it. So yeah. And don't forget to go to Disco Bob Entertainment more if you're new. Subscribe to this channel. I mean, subscribe. Here we go again. And on the main channel here, we're about the 4K subscribers, and on the backup channel, to return 2.0, the gaming channel, starting gaming, Bob on the road to 1 subscribers. And so yeah, and that's the end of this week's video. And I'll see you all more banger videos, more banger content. So I'll see you next time. This is Return Sign out. Peace out, legends. Peace out, everyone.